Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. All right, man. What we got today is the 25th anniversary of Pokemon McDonald's booster packs. We finna get right into these things, man. Of course, we got hooked up with a bunch of packs. They come in these little folders. Each one's got a different, I guess, toy you would say that would come with the booster pack. And each booster pack comes with 4 cards, 1 holo and 3 base. So let's get right into it, see what we got. The first one, let's see what we got. I've got to remember how to do this because I know the holo is on the very first card, if I'm not mistaken. So flip one to the back. Snivy, Popplio, Mudkip, and our holo is gonna be a Piplup. Nice little design on the holo. And the card we are looking for today is going to be the Pikachu with the 25th anniversary symbol on it. Of course, a holo. There's 50 cards in the set, 25 regular and 25 holos of each version. It's like paper. One to the back, that's a card trick. Ah, there's what we're looking for. Just want the holo version. And of course, they got the 25th anniversary logo on the side of the cards. So we got a Pikachu, a Fennekin, Chimchar, and a Mudkip holo. Nice. Third pack in, let's get it. Like a wax paper for the packs. Oh, I messed it up. Anyway, our holo is a chest pin. We got a Bulbasaur, non-holo, a T-Pig, and a Score Bunny. Fourth pack in for this Pikachu. I'll go through this real quick while we're doing this. Basically, each one, they're numbered. They come with a different, I guess, item in here. This one's got a maze, one's got a coloring book, basically. And they all come with this deck protector. With the 25th anniversary logo. Back to what we want to see though, the cards. Oh, almost forgot. One to the back, another Pikachu. Love that they put the 25th anniversary symbol on it. Chikorita, Mudkip again, and an Oshawott. Really cool holo design. Love these cards. And they're actually really nicely centered for being a Happy Meal toy. Fifth pack in, let's get it. See if we can hit that Pikachu. I keep forgetting that the holo is the first card. Anyway, we got a Snivy, a Grookey, Squirtle, and a Totodile. Awesome artwork too. Next pack. Do it this way. Come on, Pika Pika. One to the back. Got another Bulbasaur, T-Pig, a Mudkip, and I think that is our first double. It's all good though. Still got more to go. Come on, Pikachu, I know you're in there. Actually, I'd be happy with any of the starters. Did it again. Sobble. Trico. Oblio. And a Score Bunny. Next one in. Just take a second to admire that artwork for the pack. It's awesome. One to the back. Got another Bulbasaur, Chesapeake, Oshawott, and a Piplup. I think that's another double. Once again, you got 25 starters or 25 regular cards and 25 holos. Gonna open up probably about 2 more packs and go ahead and see if we can come up with any of these starters. Go in. Come on, man. Oh, messed it up again. Grookey. There's a Charmander. Nice artwork. Just looking sad in the rain. Cyndaquil and an Oshawott. At this point, I've messed up so many times. We're just gonna roll with it. Finnegan, Grookey, another Finnegan, and another Score Bunny. At least have the base set by the time we're done with this. Next pack. Oh, almost messed it up again. Should be able to get it right by the time we get to the end of the video. Got a Snivy, Cyndaquil, Chimchar, and a Torchic. It's a new one. Definitely really cool for, you know, a Happy Meal toy. Can't beat it. Next one. Here we go. Chikorita, a Piplup, Finnegan, and a Score Bunny. So we're definitely getting a lot of new holos. Still yet to pull any of the starters. Here we go. This is going to be the one. Before we go any further, go down in the comments and let us know what you think we're going to pull on this one. Which one do you think it's going to be on our first starter? Squirtle, Pikachu, Charmander, or Bulbasaur? I'm feeling lucky this time. We got a Grookey, Squirtle, there goes Squirtle, Mudkip, and another Chikorita. I think we'll open up a couple more packs, see if we can come up with at least one of these starters. preferably the Pikachu. Here we go. Going in. It's another base Pikachu. T-Pig. Score Bunny. And another Oshawott. Here we go. There we go. Well, I messed up the card trick, but our first starter. Good buddy, Squirtle. It's an awesome looking card. And definitely pretty good shape for coming out of a Happy Meal. Centering is not too bad. There's a little whitening in that top right corner, but not too bad, man. Better than some of the booster packs you get out of the store. Not too shabby. Got a Piplup, Chespin, and another Totodile. This one looks lucky. All right, man. Here we go. Mudkip. Can't go out like that, man. We're doing one more. Snivy, Chespin, and a Chimchar. Intend on getting this card trick right by the end of the video. Got it, guys. Oh. One to the back. Got a Froakie, first time we've seen him today. Another Squirtle, a Mudkip, and a Totodile to end things off. That's an awesome card. Decided to go through a couple more. Try not to give away what our holo is. All right, we got a Charmander, Cyndaquil, Torchic, and a Rowlet. We haven't seen him yet. Awesome. Love the background on that. Got about two more. Let's see what we can come up with. Got a Trico, Sobble, Turtwig, and another Sobble. So not doing too well with the starters so far. We're 19 backs in, and the only one we pulled so far is a Good Buddy Squirtle, which is a really awesome card. Last pack, wish us luck, man. What do you think it's gonna be? Squirtle, Pikachu, Bulbasaur, or Charmander? Which one are we gonna pull? Gotta be one of the starters. Feeling it. Another Charmander, Cyndaquil, Litten, first time we see him today. And Pikachu on the last pack. What? That's what I'm talking about. So we did end up pulling two of the starters. That's really dope. Awesome artwork. Definitely one of the coolest Happy Meal toys I've seen in a long time. Alright gang, after going through 20 packs of the Pokemon 25th Anniversary McDonald's Happy Meal trading cards, we got the whole set. Starting with, just to let y'all peep the artwork, Number 1, the Bulbasaur. Number 2, Chikorita. Number 3, Trico. Number 4, Turtwig. Number 5, Snivy. Number 6, Chespin. The Rowlet. Grookey. Charmander. Cyndaquil. Torchic. Chimchar. T-Pig. Love the artwork on the background, man. Fennekin. Litten. Ain't Litten without the Litten. Scorbunny. My dog Squirtle. Totodile, one of my favorite cards in the whole set. Mudkip. Piplup. Oshawott. Froakie. Popplio. Sobel. And the man, the myth himself, Pikachu, with the 25th anniversary stamp. Also, we came home with about, I don't know, I would say around 15 hollows. Of course, there were 20 hollows, but we did, of course, get duplicates on some of them. But we'll just go through real quick, recap of them real fast. Got a Sobel, Totodile, Mudkip. A quick run through of all the hollows we pulled. Got a Chikorita, Snivy, Chespin, Rowlet, Grookey, Torchic, Fennec, Totodile, Mudkip, Piplup, Oshawott, Popplio, and a Sobel. And of course, for the starters, can't forget my boy Squirtle and Pika. Love how they put the 25th anniversary stamp on these. These are amazing looking cards for coming out of a Happy Meal. Definitely happy with them. For $1.60 a pack, you really can't beat it, especially with the shortage of Pokemon that everybody's seen for the last couple of months. So definitely a great way to start off the 25th anniversary. If you want to get your hands on some really cool Pokemon cards. Anyway, I appreciate you hanging out with me. You know, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We're gonna be coming out with new content all year. Definitely keep up with us, and you know, let us know in the comments what you would like to see as far as the opening and unboxings, and we will try to get to all the comments. Appreciate it.